As seasonal rains arrive at the solar term growing year, seedlings are transplanted across all fields. Among the 24 solar terms, growing year marks the connection between harvest and sowing. During the solar term, farmers are busy bringing in the summer harvest while also preparing the ground for autumn sowing. In the central plains of China, wheat fields ripple like waves as farm machinery roars, unfolding a scene of abundant harvest. Tasting fresh wheat is a traditional custom in Henan during the solar term growing year. The newly harvested wheat grains are ground into flour, mixed with eggs and kneaded repeatedly before being rolled into noodles. Finally, paired with vegetables and meat and drizzled with hot oil with various seasonings, a single bowl of noodles is full of rich flavors. Amid the fields, Sinopec offers fast refueling service for farming machinery and delivers food directly to remote farmlands, fully ensuring a bountiful summer harvest. Deep among the wheat fields stands the Sinopec Zhongyuan gas storage cluster with a capacity of 14.5 billion cubic meters. Drones and other smart devices have become helpers for inspectors. They work together to secure energy supplies for North China, supporting both the summer harvest and the well-being of millions of households.